subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Xiaomi has launched 3 new flagship phones in China called Xiaomi 12, Xiaomi 12 Pro and Xiaomi 12X. All these 3 devices share quite similar design but are different in terms of specifications, and among these 3, the Xiaomi 12 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Xiaomi 12 Pro features a tall 6.73-inch 2K E5 AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate support. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass vectors. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 730 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Xiaomi 12 Pro supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 50MP main camera with Sony IMX707 sensor plus 50MP portrait lens with 2x optical zoom support and one more 50MP ultra wide angle lens with 115° field of view. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 8K videos at 24 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. At the front, it has 32MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center. As per the software, the handset runs on latest Android 12 based on MIUI 13 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a large 4600 mAh battery with 120 watts wired, 50 watt wireless and 10 watts reverse wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with Harman Kardon plus Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience, and it also includes VC liquid cooling system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.6 by 74.6 by 8.16 mm and it weighs around 205 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Xiaomi 12 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 4,699 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 4,999 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 5,399 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in black, blue, purple and field green color options. So what do you guys think of this Xiaomi 12 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.